I want to apologize for not releasing a video last week. I had bronchitis. I also had a trip last weekend for the 4th of July, so hope everyone's doing good trading out there. You can see my account here on July 8th went down almost to my original balance again, but it bounced back up. The stock I'm in right now is Sunrun, RUN, and so I'm currently at about $10,300. So I'm still up compared to when I started the challenge. For those the first time watching, this is a $10,000 to $100,000 account challenge. I am trying to get either $100,000 or 10,000 subscribers, whichever happens first. And right now, neither of them are going that awesome. So this is Robinhood Legends. I want to say trading is risky. Invest at your own discretion. Follow your own input. This is for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer now. Boom. Okay, this is Robinhood Legend. I'm doing all my trading in Robinhood, and this is my account. And so you can see that I started over here about a month ago, June 11th, exactly a month ago today. So, I mean, theoretically, I'm up, right? No big deal. But if I would have stuck with Rivian, I would be up about probably 3K right now. The theme for this week is patience. I'm going to jump to Sunrun and my thoughts on it in a minute. What I'm doing is I'm buying one stock at a time. I am adding to that position up to 3 more times to make a larger position. I'm trying to buy things that are just going up, not things that are dogs or bottom feeding. I will trade as I can to make money, and my goal is to make $100,000 off of 10,000. So going into my stock trading account, my current position is Sunrun, so I'll jump to that one. You can see it's sort of had a little bit of a tumultuous week, and you can see my positions right now. I've got 450 shares. My cost basis on those are, let's see if I can figure that out here, recent order. Average fill price around $12.55. Let me go back to this page and see. This will only show 24 hours of recent activity. So let's see here. Yeah, all it'll say is I bought this at 100. I could look back at my history. But the other thing I'm having trouble getting to regular Robinhood. If I go to Robinhood, can't get back to Robinhood. What's up with that? This is a little bit of an experience for me with Robinhood. I'm not sure why. Deposit funds. Robinhood Gold, Robinhood. Account details. Yeah, I don't know. I can't get back there. I can't get to regular Robinhood anymore. So whatever. See these big spikes? I do feel like we are at a nice floor here though with Run, right? So it keeps hitting this range. It did go down so far as to 1120, 1134 or so, and then it bounced back. So I do have hopes that this could rally. It's got good earnings. You know, my hope is that this thing, if this jumps up to these top peaks, even if it stops here, that would be what, a 25% run. So I would take that because I'd keep adding to it. I think my next add is like 1305 or whatever. And that's what actually messed me up, is that I did buy a little bit higher and then I got stopped out on one of those. And so I was still in it, so I bought back in at a lower price. But my current stops are at 1194, and I think if I cancel this, it won't get rid of it. And let's see what this one's at, and 1153. So this one's quite a bit lower. So if you click X, it gets rid of that order, which is super weird. I do not like that. Cancel seems to keep them. If you're learning Robinhood Legend and this is your first time doing it, I'm in Sunrun. I mean, look at this. This thing has been going on in this realm since October 2024. It did get a lot lower. It had a big spike up to 22, and it's kind of chopping in this range. I think there's a good likelihood that this thing breaks out at least to here. And then if it can get past 16s, it could go back up to the 20 range. I'm not buying and holding necessarily. I would set stops in 16 range. I would set stops probably about 1572. I'll get to that in the eventuality that I get there. And then I would set stops higher. That'll be next video. I'm kind of just hanging around on Run right now to see what happens and see if it goes forward. And yeah, that's that. So kind of a quick one today, but Let me know if you want me to evaluate any other stocks. If I go to my 10 watch list, I thought Lumen has dropped quite a bit. That one's kind of an interesting one. This one has had some big spikes in the past year. Another one, Run Getty. Let's see here, In another account, I did jump into Quantum. That's therapeutics, not a quantum stock. ATAI. Let's see what ATAI has been doing. I originally was going to trade this one. I don't know if I ever traded this one in this account, but look at that. That's a good spike. That could keep rallying if it can break this zone. So that's one to watch. If Run fails, I might jump back to looking at this one as my next one because it's got this long history of this range. It did run up, came back. This is what I'd call the second chance zone. Thanks for watching, and let me know any stocks you wanted me to check out or things about finances,